Hey, what's going on, guys? Now, in this video, I will show you how do you add effects to Instagram story. So, let's start. So, first up, let's open up Instagram. Now, we can swipe to the right to open our story. So, here in the bottom, you can actually choose an effect. So, say for example, if we want to choose this one, now it's going to look like this, or you can also choose this one, or you can choose this one. Now, there are tons of effects that you can try, and now, now there are tons of effects that you can try. You just need to scroll from left to right to find what effect you want to use. So that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.